Hi, and welcome to the EZReader TaskBar tutorial. In this video, we will show you how to use the taskbar. TaskBar is one of 3 EZReader launchpads, which is simply a way to access EZReader applications. The taskbar can be located on the top or the bottom of your screen. Taskbar can be moved manually from top to bottom by dragging, but please note that this option will not save that setting next time you restart your computer. To permanently change the taskbar top or bottom setting, you can use a keyboard shortcut. Control-Shift-S, as in Sam, will change your settings from top to bottom. You will see a message telling you that it has been moved to the top or the bottom. On this screen, the taskbar has many different icons and an exit button. Each icon represents an EZReader application. As you hover over the icons, you will see a prompt that tells you the name of the application. To run an application, just touch or click on the icon. The application will open full screen to maximize content. Press Exit in the top left corner to close the application and go back to taskbar. Also on this screen, the taskbar is set to colors yellow on blue for high contrast. To see other high contrast color pair options, simply hit the shortcut C, as in color, on your keyboard. There are 4 preset color pairs, one of which can be customized. You can also change the size of the taskbar. Simply hit the keyboard shortcut R, as in resize, and you will see the size of the taskbar change. By default, the taskbar shows icons for each application. If you prefer, you can change the icons to letters by pressing keyboard shortcut G, as in Google. The taskbar can be customized in many different ways based on your needs. Please watch other videos in the taskbar series for more details. You can also reach out to our support team for help customizing the taskbar.